Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Jarnewski and I will be the professor for this spring 2017 semester of IT 1010, Introduction to Microcomputer Applications. Now, since this is a fully online course, I'd like to create a quick video at the start of the semester to kind of give you a quick orientation about how our Blackboard course site will function. Every time you log into the site, you'll be greeted by the announcements page, where 1 or 2 times a week at least, I will post announcements about upcoming assignments, due dates, reminders, etc. When you first log into the course, you'll see the Welcome to IT 1010 announcement. So go ahead and read through that. You'll see that you're watching this video right now. And then there is some textbook information about the textbook we will need for this semester. The textbook is required. We will use it for about 14 or 15 weeks throughout the semester. So that will be your assignment this week, is to make sure that you have the textbook for next week. Before you get started in the course, I want you to go ahead to the left side of the screen where this is our course navigation and click the Start Here button. Here you'll see all the information that gets you started on the right foot this semester. First is the Meet Your Instructor section, where this is my contact information. There's my phone number. My office location is at the Western Campus in room G201, and you can also email me. I prefer that communication is done through email unless you have an emergency, obviously, or feel free to stop in. But if you email me, make sure that you're using your Tri-C email address so that I know that it is you. The second part of this page, and the most important, is the syllabus. So if you go ahead and click this link, you can view the syllabus. I need you to download this, save it somewhere, print it out, however that you have it accessible. You'll see in the syllabus that, it has my contact information. Some of the course information, such as the course outcomes and objectives. This is what you'll be required to know, or expected to know at the end of the semester. The next section is the required textbook and supplies and equipment. As mentioned before, you will need the textbook, the skills for success with Microsoft Office 2016. You can purchase this at the Tri-C bookstore or other sites like Amazon. You do not need to purchase the CD with the book. I will upload all the files from the CD that we need. As this is an online class, you obviously will need reliable internet access. In addition, you will need access to a computer with Microsoft Office 2016. This includes Microsoft Word 2016, Excel 2016, Access 2016, and PowerPoint 2016. We will be using all four. The book, the tutorials, the videos that you'll be watching are all tailored towards Office 2016. So it will be required that you have that version. If you do not want to purchase that version, you can access it through Microsoft's Office 365 program through the college. You can visit any of the technology learning centers on campus. You can visit the libraries on campus. Some county and public libraries also have versions of Office 2016. Family and friends also, but make sure that you have access to that. And finally, you'll need at least 2 gigs of space. This could be a flash drive, thumb drive, anything like that, however you want to back up your work. I'll let you read the syllabus for these other sections about accessibility, attendance and participation, late work and assignments, and our grading scale. But I do want to point out the course schedule. We'll be following this each week. You'll see that for week 1, the start date is 1/17, a little day late because of the holiday, and the weekly topic. All of our assignments will start on Monday, and they will be due the following Sunday. On the Sundays, all of the assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's like that throughout the entire semester. If you need help, obviously you may contact me at any time if you have any questions, but there is also supplemental help and free tutoring services providing in the technology learning centers on campus. If you click this link, it can go to the Technology Learning Center's webpage, where you can view phone numbers and hours of the offices this semester. Some important dates for 2017 spring semester. Um, March 13th through 19th is spring break, so no classes are scheduled. You will not be required to do any work during this course at this time, even if it's an online class. But I will open up the following week's work, so feel free to work ahead, but it's not required. If you are graduating, April 7th is the deadline to petition for graduation for spring and summer 2017. And final exam week begins May 8th. Since it's the fully online course, you will need to have a decent technology background. There are some links here to kind of test your skills for technology and the skill requirements needed to be successful in this course. If at any time you need technology help regarding Blackboard, your browsers, login issues, email, etc., you can call 216-987-HELP for help, and they will provide that support for you. I'll let you read the rest of this on your own, but I do want you to go over this very thoroughly. There will be a quiz this week on the syllabus, so make sure that you have gone through that. And the rest of the Start Here page, some similar content as the syllabus, but make sure you go through that. When you're done with that, click on the Lessons button on the left side of the page. The Lessons is where each of our weekly assignments will be. You can see already Lesson 1, the course introduction, with the due date of January 22nd is live. If you click that, it will bring you to Lesson 1. The format of this will be familiar each week. It will always start with the lesson objectives. This week we're going to review the syllabus, do a course overview, you're going to introduce yourself, and then a to-do list. Treat this to-do list as a checklist, and if you could put a check next to each of these items, you'll know that you successfully completed everything required of you that week. So you're going to print and carefully read the course syllabus, watch all the videos, which you're probably watching right now. Introduce yourself by posting your intro in the discussion board. Take the course syllabus and Start Here button quiz, and buy your textbook and materials by next week. Again, here's another link for the syllabus. Here is the course introduction video that you're watching, and then you will click on the discussion board to go to the first discussion board. Here you'll simply introduce yourself by answering each of the bolded questions. To post on the discussion board, you'll click the forum, tell us about yourself. You will click on Create Thread. Go ahead in the subject, put your name, and then answer those bolded questions right here down in your box. Simply click Submit. Make sure you don't click Save Draft. Save Draft saves it for you to come back and work on later. You want to submit it to the class. You will be graded for your tell us about yourself, so make sure that you also reply to one of your classmates before the deadline. If you have any questions, again, do not hesitate to email me or call me at any time. And make sure you go through the syllabus and the Start Here button. And I hope everyone has a good semester, and I will be checking in later this week.